So this is our team's final submission, final project. This con so it the all the files and models and datasets are present in this particular one, owned by Aayush.Dude703@gmail.com. Inside this, the folder final submission has all the all the working folders. In this, we have used three models. Three models are random forest, SVM, that is machine vector, and KNN, which is nearest neighbors. Now let's check out how it works. So the first step is model training. So uh, before model training, we did cleaning of data. So in cleaning of data, I had cleaned all the data which was available, which was like the first train data dot set, and then all train data dot set val housing features, and also the test data that was given for testing the file at the end. So all were cleaned in this using this Python using this facet, where you can write a Python code and drop null values, drop any null values, fill them with anything you want, drop any columns which are unnecessary, such as the society column here, and also to fill null values using interpolate and stuff, and cleaning the column prices, not prices, sorry, clean cleaning the column cleaning the column called prices in the training data set, because it had a range of values, and we use a function to remove the range of values. Okay, so this is to import and everything. This is to do society, to drop society. This is to fill balcony with all zero values. This is to check if it's removed. This is to remove BHK from size. This is to remove bedroom from size. And yeah, and this command is to drop any null values present. Now let's run the value and see. As you can see, it's running perfectly. Okay, now let's go back. So now the next step is model training. After we finish cleaning the data or pre-processing the data, now it is time for model training. So this size work is actually our pre-processed training data set. So let's view it. So this is all the attributes and all the clean data, like pre-processed data. So you can see there are no null values, no zero values, and everything is properly set to whatever variable types they should be. Okay, so after this, let's go to this. So you can use any of these three model, KNN, SVM, and random forest. Let me show you for random forest, because other two work anyways, but let me show you how it works with the random forest model. So now let's so the target column is price. Let's update it. Overwrite is set to true, so it creates a new version of it, like trains a new version of it as from the model. As we can see, it was a success. So the model is trained. The model is trained in version 4.0 of this random forest. Okay, now let's go back. So after the model has been trained, there are two paths you can go. that are price recommender for evaluation. That is for the val uh, val test data that was given first. Okay, so this is for price recommender for, so this is to predict the now we have trained the model. Now it's time to predict the values of the uh, the pre-processed uh, test data that was given to us by you, which is this one. This has been pre-processed. The size column has been changed, like the bedroom and VHK has been returned, society has been dropped and stuff like that. And yeah, null values have been filled and dropped respectively. Okay, so now let's run it. So as you can see, success. It's running. Yeah, so it ran. So we have got the predictions value. So let's see this. Okay, so house ID, and we have got a price for it predicted. This is predicted price. Okay, now let's this one. So we are taking in the predicted price we calculated from price recommended of evaluation, and now I'm passing it. So I'm renaming columns, price to price predicted. I'm dropping these columns because these are not needed, and I'm finally passing it to SVNIT evaluation. So let's run it. As you can see, it was a success. So now actually the we have found the accuracy that was around 51%. So we have got an accuracy of 51% from this SVNIT evaluation custom facet. And yeah, I can't really show it now because it's just gonna waste time. I need to reload page and open it. Okay, so now let's go to, you can check it for yourself. And okay, so now the second part is after the model is being trained. For the second test data that was provided by you, uh, that is called the test data, the second data. So for that we're gonna run similar process. So we're gonna put it through this, and so this is the pre-processed data set that was given to us. The test data set is pre-processed and called CT now, and we are putting it through the model. So this is, yeah, so now running it. Yeah, for a test, so it runs. Let me show you with other models. So with KNN also we can do it, just to show that they work. Even SVM works. Yes, as you can see, everything works. Now let's stick to Boston because that's what I intend to show in this, because okay, so this is done. Now let's go back, and okay, this is a test one. So now I think I haven't run the, so this is still running on SVM prediction. Okay, now run it. So this is the prediction test data. We got the prediction values for prices from the test data that is given to you. Oh, okay, per test. The data set was deleted before, that's why it's showing error. It's fine now. Should be fine now. Yeah, so as you can see, it goes. So our test data, this particular data set that was given to us had we have got the best accuracy of around 46%, and for the other test data, the val features that was given to us before the test data, it gave a best accuracy of around 51%. Yeah, so that is our whole product. Now let me show you the dashboard. The dashboard for evaluation tests are here. Let's start from evaluation. So so this box feature is not working for me. I've tried to put it twice or thrice. It just isn't working. It's reverting back to this particular thing. I even tried. So, and already had made the model, so it was difficult for me to change it back. So yeah, bear with me. It was a technical error and I couldn't really help it. Okay, so the first step is pre-processed training data. So this is the pre-processed training data that we used, and this second step was pre-process the testing data. So testing data here was the testing data given to us, which was pre-processed and cleaned according to what whatever was missing and inconsistent. This is for price prediction. So these are all the so balcony varying bar chart, bath, pie chart, and funnel chart, and all with scatter plot to show the relations with prices, price, and just the distribution in general. So now the last column is price recommender. So price recommender has the data set with unpredicted without the price value, which is unpredicted unpriced value. Now yeah, we can add a column and recommended prices, and this is the predicted chart, so it will show here how much it should be. Yeah, so this is same. This is same for the test. So in test we have the same training data set, so this is the same. For testing we have VLAC, and for price this and this. For sorry, for pre-processed it should be CT. This was my bad. Yeah, so this is a pre-process testing data set, and then price. These are all the charts, similar charts because the data is same. And yeah, now the price recommender. So this is for the CT data. These are on price values, and this is the test data. This is a recommended thing. Yeah, Okay, so uh, from running the SVNIT test and all a facet for accuracy for evaluation set, that was the first test data set that was given to us by you. The accuracy came out to be the best accuracy. I've calculated a few. The best one that came out to be was 50%. So this model was 50% accurate, and for test data, also the best one which has came for is 50%. This is for using all models and their best possible value that I could get. Thank you.